The Ninja Creami protein ice cream that broke the internet. Something happened in the last 18 months that nobody in the fitness world saw coming. Protein ice cream quietly went from a niche gym bro experiment to one of the most searched food topics on the entire internet. We're talking billions, with a B of social media impressions, hundreds of millions of views, and at the center of all of it, one machine, one method, and 5 recipes that made people genuinely question why they ever ate sad, chalky protein bars in the first place. These are the Ninja Creami protein ice cream recipes that broke the internet. And after this video, your freezer will never be the same. Before the recipes, let's talk about why this matters, because this is bigger than just a cool dessert hack. The average protein bar has between 15 and 20 grams of protein, costs $2 to $4, and tastes like cardboard wearing a chocolate costume. The recipes you're about to see hit 25 to 35 grams of protein per serving, cost under $2 to make, and taste genuinely, legitimately like premium ice cream from a dessert shop. That gap between what people expected and what they actually got is why these videos exploded. Nobody believed it was possible, and then they made it themselves, and they lost their minds. Here are the 5 recipes that started it all, ranked from beginner-friendly to full dessert chef energy. Quick note before recipe number 1, if you don't have a Ninja Creami yet, the link to grab one is sitting right at the top of the description. It is genuinely one of the most useful things to happen to home nutrition in years, and the price point makes it accessible. The link's there whenever you're ready. Now recipe 1. Recipe number 1, chocolate peanut butter protein dream. Protein count, 32 grams per pint. Difficulty, absolute beginner. Why it went viral? Because it tastes like a Reese's cup. Full stop. This is the gateway recipe, the one that converts skeptics. You take chocolate protein powder, a tablespoon of powdered peanut butter, a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a splash of vanilla extract. Blend it, freeze it for 24 hours. Run it through the Ninja Creami on the ice cream setting, and what comes out the other side is a thick, rich, creamy chocolate peanut butter ice cream that a nutritionist and a dessert chef would both approve of. The original video of this recipe got 22 million views on TikTok in a week because people could not believe what they were watching. The machine turns a frozen protein shake into something that looks and eats like the real thing. Once you see it, you have to try it. Recipe number 2, strawberry cheesecake protein Bliss. Protein count, 28 grams per pint. Difficulty, beginner. Why it went viral? The color, the texture, and the fact that it actually tastes like cheesecake. Blend strawberry protein powder with low-fat cream cheese, just 2 tablespoons, almond milk, a squeeze of lemon juice, and frozen strawberries. The cream cheese is the secret. It gives the base that tangy, dense cheesecake richness that protein powder alone could never deliver. After freezing and processing, the color is this gorgeous deep pink, and the texture is so thick it holds a scoop. This one dominated Instagram because of how it photographs. Food content lives or dies on visual appeal, and strawberry cheesecake protein ice cream looks like it belongs in a high-end dessert bar. We are halfway through the list and things are about to get considerably more interesting. The next 3 recipes are where the real viral moments happened, including one that people genuinely couldn't believe was under 300 calories. Staying with us. Recipe number 3, vanilla bean cookie dough. Protein count, 30 grams per pint. Difficulty, intermediate. Why it went viral? It has actual cookie dough chunks in it. High protein cookie dough chunks. The base is vanilla protein powder, Greek yogurt instead of milk, which gives it a creamier freeze, and a few drops of butter extract for that bakery warmth. The mix-in is the game changer. A separate batch of protein cookie dough made from oat flour, almond butter, a touch of honey, and a scoop of vanilla protein. Freeze into small chunks. Push them into the processed ice cream using the mix-in setting on the Ninja Creami. The mix-in setting. This is the feature that made people realize the machine was something special. It folds chunky mix-ins through finished ice cream without destroying the texture. Cookie dough ice cream. High protein. At home. Under 300 calories. The comment sections on these videos read like people having a personal revelation. Recipe number 4. Mango coconut sorbet protein. Protein count, 25 grams per pint. Difficulty, beginner. Why it went viral? Zero dairy, zero guilt, and it tastes like a tropical holiday. This one opened up the protein ice cream conversation to an entirely new audience, dairy-free, vegan, and lactose-intolerant communities who had been watching the trend from the outside. Frozen mango chunks, coconut milk, unflavored or vanilla plant-based protein powder, a squeeze of lime. That's it. Blend, freeze, process on the sorbet setting. The texture is incredible, lighter than the cream-based recipes, more intensely fruity, with that tropical coconut warmth underneath. It became the most saved recipe on Pinterest in the fitness food category for 3 consecutive months. And it proves the Ninja Creami isn't just for one dietary tribe, it's for everyone. Recipe number 5, dark chocolate espresso protein. Protein count, 35 grams per pint. Difficulty, intermediate. Why it went viral, 35 grams of protein. In something that tastes like a luxury gelato. This is the recipe that food creators and fitness creators both claimed as their own because it belongs to both worlds equally. Chocolate protein powder, a shot of cold espresso, dark cocoa powder, a tablespoon of cream cheese for body, almond milk, and a pinch of sea salt. The espresso amplifies the chocolate in a way that makes the whole thing taste dramatically more complex than its ingredients suggest. The sea salt is non-negotiable. It is doing more work than you think it is. It rounds the bitterness of the cocoa, deepens the espresso, and makes the chocolate hit like a high-end dark chocolate bar rather than a protein product. At 35 grams of protein per pint, this is the highest protein recipe on this list. It became a staple for people tracking serious muscle-building macros who refuse to give up on dessert, which is every serious athlete who has ever lived, if we're being honest. 5 recipes, 25 to 35 grams of protein each, under $2 per serving. And genuinely delicious. Everything you need to make all 5 of these is linked in the description right now, including the Ninja Creami itself, because none of this happens without it. The link at the top of the description is the exact model. It's there whenever you're ready. So here is where things stand. Protein ice cream is not a trend that's going anywhere. It's a permanent part of how people are thinking about nutrition because it solved a problem that the fitness industry had been failing to solve for decades. How do you make eating well feel like a reward instead of a punishment? These 5 recipes are the answer, and the Ninja Creami is the tool that makes it possible. Now, here is what needs to happen in the comments right now. Tell us your daily protein goal. Whether you're at 100 grams and building from there, hitting 180 and wondering how you got here, or somewhere in between, drop your number below. Because this community is about to get very useful for each other. Subscribe if you want more of this. See you in the next one.